beautiful people. This is Mentor Shelly coming to you this Friday morning. Listen, guys, I'm driving, so I'm keeping my eyes on the road. That's the reason I'm not looking directly at you. Now, just want to let you listen. I want to just talk to you guys for a minute. Of course, if you're listening to this on IGTV or YouTube or Facebook, like, share, and subscribe, depending on what applies on each platform. Listen, guys, I want you guys to realize that nobody that is experts in their field didn't start there. I want you guys to understand, in order for you to be great in your career, you had to be good. In order for you to be good, in order for you even to get good, you had to have practice, and you had to be bad, and you had to mess up and make mistakes. But nobody that is experts in your field, the likes of Tony Robbins, Lisa Nichols, as far as transformational speakers are concerned, business gurus, like all the people on Shark Tank, all of those people, yes, they have fortitude and they have the guts to step out there and be, to be business kings, but every last one of those people had mentors. And if you're just starting out in your career, I'm talking to the high school student that may have just gotten their first job out of high school, or the college student that's looking to get their first or second job, or still trying to figure out what their career goals are going to be. In order for you to know where you are, you need a mentor to help guide you to what you want. If you already know what you want and you just need help getting that particular career venture cultivated, then great, I can help you in either way. I definitely want you to get started and get very clear about what it is you're going to do in your career. So definitely check out my resource at mentorshelly.com/DCG. That is a free career guide. But in order for you to start with a mentor, you have to understand where you are and where you're going. And definitely a mentor helps with that particular situation. And I definitely want to help you get your career on board and get your career strategy in place. And you can also check out my additional resource where you get to work with me one-on-one at mentorshelly.com/services/career strategy. In order for you to go from great and awesome and an expert in your field, you have to be good in your field of expertise. In order for you to be good in your field, you have to be bad. So everybody starts from somewhere, but nobody goes from good to great to expert without wonderful and strategic mentors. So get a mentor for your career today, so you understand that in order for you to become better professionally, mentoring is required. Take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.